If you go to irs.gov and then go to the top right-hand corner, you can click Sign In. Scroll down to where it says Individual. You can either sign in or create a new account. Then click Sign In. And then you'll create a new ID.me account. You'll enter your email and password, and then confirm that password, and then accept the terms and conditions. Then it'll have you accept more terms and conditions here, so you can skim and read that. You'll get a 6-digit code sent to the email that you registered with. So you'll pull that from your email, enter it here. Then you can choose your multi-factor authentication method. So passkey is the most secure, then code generator, then push, then text message is the least secure, but that's what we did with this one. So you'll enter your phone number to have it text you. So you enter your phone number, and then enter that 6-digit code. If you can save this generate recovery code, that will work if you lose your MFA device. And then hit continue. You can do a video call, which takes a little bit longer, or self-service, which will allow you to enter a phone number and take a picture of your driver's license on your device. So you can accept these terms, hit continue, and then you'll enter the phone number you want to upload your driver's license through. So it'll send a text message to your phone number, and all of these are screenshots of what you'll see on your phone. So you're going to start with your driver's license. You'll take a picture of the front and the back. Make sure it's clear, very legible. Hit continue. And then you'll begin doing a selfie video to detect for liveness. So it'll be kind of a weird image, and then you'll hit continue. That'll take a few seconds. And then you can go back to the computer screen. Once that's done and it's recorded, it will automatically move forward to the next screen for the verification process. It compares your selfie to your ID for the ID.me process. And now you'll enter your social security number to tie the ID.me account to the IRS account. So now you'll verify your name, address, phone number, everything there. Confirm that it's correct, hit yes. It'll take a few seconds. And then you are done. So you've now verified your identity. You can hit allow, which allows ID.me to access your account settings. And now you're going back to the IRS website. And you have officially created an IRS account through ID.me. So you can go down here, you can see your account status, if you have any amounts due, any historical payments. You can check on the status of a refund, basically anything in reference to your account. You can check your tax records. And then there's the log off.